Ben, the sunset here is really fantastic. It feels like a beautiful painting. Exactly. It looks like the ocean swallowed the sun. For sure, I'm craving to stay here from now until morning and watch the waves constantly. I feel the same. But tomorrow we're going to Ljubljana, right? Wow, this city is so attractive. The river is running through downtown with all those lights reflecting on the water. Ben, look at this handmade jewelry, hand painted mugs, local honey, spices, olive oil, and so on. And maybe some chocolates. They make the best souvenirs. Now I am starving. How about you? I've read about local food here, both seafood and traditional dishes. Welcome! Would you like to try some of our traditional seafood dishes? Yes, please. What do you recommend? Our grilled minced meat, Balkan style grilled meat like cevapcici in Croatia, and grilled salmon with boiled potatoes and Swiss chard are very popular. It's a local specialty. Wow, that sounds awesome. Let's go for both. And maybe some white grape juice to pair with it? Excellent choice. I'll bring that right now. Hold up. That castle is literally built into the side of the cliff. How is that real? Oh, it looks like something from Game of Thrones. They say it's the largest cave castle in the world. Is it right? Sure. Let's go inside. I wanna see those secret passages. It's like history with modern vibes. Pretty cool. We're planning to go to a gorgeous place that I've never seen, Bled Lake, with an island in the middle.